totally off. This is the onboard internal gas tank, and turning it to the left would be for a external gas tank. I've checked the oil, it's perfect. Everything was running perfectly until I changed out the gasket that goes right here in between the bowl and the body of the carburetor. When I did that, I also replaced these two green paper gaskets here, just for good measure. Everything else is the same, other than I've cleaned the carburetor. There was a small rust spot at the very bottom of the bowl on the inside, and I treated that, and then I soaked this bottom piece in a cup of motor oil for 2 days before I put it back together to make sure that didn't damage the aluminum from the rust remover. But I used a chemical that said you can use it on aluminum. I didn't put brass or anything like that in that chemical, but every single jet has been cleaned perfectly. I have this set of files here, and I just used the teeniest, tiniest little wire one and just made sure that each one was clear, and then held it up to the sun. Every single jet, including the smallest orifice on that carburetor, has been cleaned as far as I understand. So I'm gonna give it a shot starting it.